Good morning, friends. It is very alarming and dangerous that most of the people who are having COVID infection are getting steroids as a part of their routine prescription, which is very, very dangerous. We need to know two things here. Number one, whenever anybody gets an infection, COVID infection, your good immunity in the body fight with the infection, and most of the time, more than 80% of the time, you have mild symptoms like the cough, cold, fever, body ache, headache, and in 4 to 5 days times you get rid of all symptoms and your body recovered well in just week to 10 days time, whether you take any symptomatic medicine or you don't take any medicines. Second thing, what we need to know, that the only medicine which has been recommended by all across the globe by all the organizations and all the recommendation is the use of steroid, but it is only restricted to the severe and the critical COVID disease. It means this can only be given when the patient is having severe lung pneumonia as well as he is requiring oxygen support to maintain his oxygen level in the body, because that time the bad immunity, the hyperimmune response, which is creating problem to the lungs, damaging the lungs, there this steroids take care of that infection, that inflammation or the bad immunity, and helps you to recover from that hyperimmune response or that severe or critical disease of the COVID. No other medicine has been recommended like remdesivir or the tocilizumab or the plasma therapy. They are all as a part of the experimental therapy. Now, what we need to know here, that when we prescribe the steroids as a part of the routine prescription for the patients of the mild disease, where most of the patients, more of 80% of the patients recover their own, what we are doing, we are reducing their good immunity which protect them and which help them to get rid of the virus, fight with the virus, and to recover from the disease. But when you take the steroids, you suppresses your own immunity, the good immunity, and this virus continue to multiply and can lead to a more sicker or more severe disease in the coming days. I am afraid that the growing number of the sick patients in this second wave could be the rampant and the misuse of steroids. I'll appeal all of you that please see that whenever you are taking any COVID medicines, whether your friends or your relatives or anyone, just make sure you do not have a steroid as a part of the prescription. If you are just having a mild disease, steroids should only be given if you are having a significant lung pneumonia and you are requiring oxygen support to maintain your oxygen in the body. That's the only indication of the steroids. So please make sure that all of your friends and relatives, whosoever is taking the COVID medicine, do not take the steroids as a part of the routine prescription. Ask your doctor whether the steroids is justified or a steroid has to be taken as a part of the prescription. If we do that, maybe we can save a lot of our friends and relatives to progress to the severe disease where we need hospitalization, and we can help nation to overcome with this health crisis where hospital beds are outnumbered. Thank you very much. Take care.